Here's my son Edward James almost at the car wash. Estamos lavando el carrito aquí porque está chuco. That's crazy how they put colors and stuff. They want to bring people's attention with colors. I hope they clean it really good though. You know what I mean?
Usually one of these smacks my car.
Oh yeah.
Slightly.
Man, those are heavy ones. Spot free rinse. Ahí van a ver la luz que va a poner verde. It says wait, 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 wait. And then when it goes go, then you put it in drive. Three, two, one. And it's in go and let's go.
It's like bird shit grease.
Where? Where you get that with your? You're gonna use the vacuum or no?
I use it last time. It's so clean.
This dealer chip, I came over here one day, long time ago. Actually, we bought a car at this dealer chip. It was a Malibu. Yeah. I burned it. You know what I mean? Hey, they got that. They got the trick that I like. The Exploder. Anyways, that was the car wash experience. Now we're going back home. We're gonna see if we buy some type of medicine for Ninja.
You want to get Panda? Or do you want to get that?
I do want to get Panda, but at the same time, those fools they gotten really expensive and cheap. So
You find something cheap?
let's how about one of those Chinese places that you know that they serve a lot of food, like it's ridiculous.
I ain't none over
No?
here.
Anyways, cambio fuera. You want to say something to La Mara?
Alright.
Really? Hi? You're a freaking Indian now? Hey, 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 hey. All right. See ya, everybody.